Riri muingi wa bururi urathie na mbere na guthurima mendekithia ma thirikari ma watho wa kigina wa mwaka uyu. Mubunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro na uria urari muikariri giti wa kamiti ya bunge igi budget hau kabere ni amenereirie uria mbeca cia thirikari igaitwo thiini wa budget ya mwaka wa kigina wa 2025-2026 makiria ni undu wa kunyihia mbeca iria igathikirwo ministry ya githomo. Akiaria ari cukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Maragi kaunti-ini ya Murang'a hindi ya mucemanio wa githomo, Ndindi augite thirikari ni irekire mahitia manene gutinia mbeca cia kurugamirira igeranio cia arutwo a thukuru cia muthingi na iria cia secondary, na bilioni 5 iria igairwo igeranio ni nini muno na itingeigana.
Budget ya 11 billion inafaa kuwa ya exam. Sasa imewekwa ingine 5 billion instead of 11. That is barely enough only to buy the papers for exams. And therefore it means there is no money for invigilators and there is no money for the workforce that will be marking our exams. Why can't we make a budget that we can live with for the entire of the year? That is my question. Ya pili, tumeweka pesa ya capitation ambayo haikuwa inatosha, lakini tumekata zaidi tupeleke kwa exam.
Niongereire kuga undu uyu wahota gucungirira arutwo aingi makirire maumite miciiri itehotete na iria gomeirwo ni ukia matiganiria githomo, na oho wahota kuhotomia gikiro kia githomo na igeranio guku bururi-ini. Ni athiete na mbere kuga kuringana na uria mbeca cigaitwo honge-ini ngurani cia thirikari ni kionania thirikari ndikiriire gutangikira mabataro ma muingi wa bururi.
I want to request the policy makers in this country, let us not make a budget of lying to ourselves and lying to our development partners. Tunataka tutengeneza bajeti ambayo tunaonekana hatukopi sana, but we are just postponing the problem.
Okaide-ini okau muikariri giti wa kamiti ya bunge igi kigina Kuria Kimani ni eranĩire kamiti iyo ni gukuruhania mawoni mothe maria maraheanwo ni muingi wa bururi iguru rigie watho wa kigina wa mwaka uyu. Akiaria ri kaunti-ini ya Kiambu hindi ya kungania mawoni ma muingi kaunti-ini iyo, Kuria uria nowe mubunge wa Molo augite ni meharĩrĩirie gwĩthema gwĩcokera gwa kĩrigata kĩrĩa kĩarigicĩirie watho wa kĩgĩna wa mwaka mũhĩtũku.
Na riboti itu I want to guarantee you nika reflect maoni ma Akenya. Maundu maria Kenya marenda na marenda matuke improve makothini wa riboti itu. Koguo tondire gutuma maoni maitu na maundu maria especially mokite muno concern ya Kenya ni horo wa privacy ya data yao. Andu matirenda gukorwo ati transactions yao cia fegi, transactions yao cia M-Pesa, transactions yao cia maundu maria mangi mothe na tuka accessible kuri KRA. Koguo ndenda ku assure the members of the public maoni macio mutu hete they are not in vain.
Currently there are laws in Kenya that protect every Kenyan when it comes to their data. We cannot afford then to open that floodgate. Kazi ya KRA inalinda mabiashara na kazi yake ni kuokota kodi kwa sababu nchi itaenda mbele. Lakini hawezi pewa ruhusa ati sasa watakuwa wanachunguza Mkenya kila kitu ambaye anafanya.
One thutha wa muingi kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kwaga kwiyumiria kwa wingi kuheana mawoni mao na aria nini megwikinyitie magikirira nganja kana ti mathaa mao marateanga.
Mangiheo mawoni macio mothe maraheo guku ri kuhuthirwo bururi witu no uke wega no maigi noa
that they gave us was somehow difficult to understand. A lot of people are saying they could not understand it because the paper is written in the first clause, we'll add nevertheless, again we add and or. It was a bit complicated to understand, but the small amount we understood, we are able to participate.
Means za ku-announce that there will be public participation. I'd say haziko thorough vile. They're not thorough as much.